am Pavel Mittal and I'm 20 years old. I am learning from Punjab University and I like to learn new things. Like I'm learning personality development here. And apart from that, I like to listen to music and dance.
It has improved, Jyoti. Well done.
Chapter 30 got reduced in a clinic. And from next month, I will be joining a hospital in Delhi.
Great. Any other hobby you have?
I don't have any particular hobby. I love to sing and I go to the gym.
Okay.
Kumar, I'm from Chandigarh and I'm a software engineer. And my hobbies are watching movies and traveling in places.
Okay. Which movie is your favorite?
Three
Three Idiots. Who's your favorite character in it?
just
What movie?
Amir Khan.
Amir Khan's character's name was? Full name?
Ranchor.
Huh?
And he was
Funso Kwangu, correct?
yes.
Okay. Yes, Shaina.
Evening. My name is Shaina. I'm from Chandigarh and I'm here for spoken English. And my hobby is watching movies.
And which is your favorite movie?
Actually, my favorite, I like watching horror movies. It's been a long time I haven't watched it.
Okay. What was the last movie you watched?
Conjuring.
Conjuring? Okay. I have that. Please answer.
Everyone, good evening. My name is Mohammad Israel. I belong to Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh. I am currently working in pharmaceuticals company. I have 13 years, approx 13 years experience in pharmaceuticals.
Okay.
My hobby is playing cricket and movie.
Okay. So who's your favorite character? In any movie?
Recently, see Kantara.
Okay, Kantara.
Pardon.
So who was the character?
Rishabh Shetty's story.
Okay. So you like the director at least? Yeah. Okay. Please answer.
So good evening everyone, my name is Indranjeet and I am from Varanasi and I have done schooling from Secondary Panchkula from government school and I have done my graduation in BBA from Panchkula too and I have been preparing for competitive exams and now I am here for spoken English and my hobbies are cooking, dancing, and traveling.
Okay. What's your favorite dish to cook?
But I don't think it. Yes.
What?
Like veg biryani, poha.
So someday I'll be asking you to cook for me. Okay. Please answer. Yes, का क्या रीजन है हमारा किसी स्किल इम्प्रूव करने की? कैसी स्किल? फ्लुएंसी, कॉन्फिडेंस, क्या?
Communication.
फ्लुएंसी क्या होती है फ्लुएंसी? What we are going to do is we'll be doing all sort of activities where we'll be covering your speaking, writing, reading, and listening English. This is a way where you will be connecting with other levels because we only have basic in our class. So today we are going to do this. That we have basic, intermediate, and it will be for 3 days, 3 timings. And if you feel like any of your friend wants to come, do let them.
Because we have variety of students, so I'll be dividing you all into different teams so that we can go with team activities. So Sarita here. Okay, we have Ankit and we have Rahul. Okay, you guys can come in one team. Shuffle yourself. Kavya, you can yeah. Come on the first one. We starting with a story chain. So can anyone tell what does the word story chain mean? So anyone from any team? Framing a story, okay. Linking the events together. Yes, Ankit?
I think one team will start a story and other team will
Okay. Creating a story. Anything you want to add? Try. No? You have no words to say? Nothing?
Same writing the lines.
Like adding with some different ideas and creativity.
No stress करना.
Huh. Okay. So, we work on only one criteria. Team A will go with comedy. You will be adding lines only based on comedy. Yeah. That's the fun, na? Then team B, C, you guys will be going with action. You have to add lines that have action in it. I will be giving you a beginner line and then we will start with team A, only one line. You will be adding any of you. Then team B, any of you, then team C. Then again, team A, team B, team C, and we will continue. But make sure you add the elements in the sentence. Okay? A little dark. Based on comedy. Whosoever thinks of a line first in your team can start, because we will be doing it time based. Each team will get only 10 seconds and otherwise we'll turn to the next team and you will be getting a 0 point for that turn.
Like, leave it at one point of time, story. Then team B will continue from that point of time or you
Yes.
are somewhere else.
No,
Randomly they
no.
can start.
I have given you a basic line. Once upon a time, a duck dreamed of becoming a detective. They'll add a line. We'll continue it again.
That is I know, but if team A will leave at some point of time, then team B will start from there only and they can add anything.
They will do their point of horror. They will not talk about comedy. Their perspective is just talking about horror. Wherever they have left, just they'll continue from there, adding some horror elements into it. Once upon a time, a little duck dreamed of becoming a detective.
His client saw him, like he's chasing him. So the client started hitting him. He killed.
Just one line you have to add. No more stories.
He had a very little leg, so he was very slow and again chased by the hunters.
Okay.
Learn swimming.
What's the action in this? Add some action. Show the fighting spirit. Team
A little duck was very clumsy, so his friends was always made fun of.
A. Team B. Go for it. Israel. It's not just Kavya working in the team. Team C.
Once upon a time, a little duck dreamed of becoming a detective. He told his mom that he wants to become a detective. After he from the beginning.
No, not from the beginning when she
When?
left. We are continuing from there only, no?
Okay, that's why I was confused.
No, you have to hear it carefully.
So very well done.
They didn't speak only. So it's your turn.
That's it.
She told about the clumsiness of the duck. Continue. Team A, did you add 1 point in the starting? No. Team B, Team C. Will you speak? Israel, Sarita, because you four have not participated in this.
But ma'am, who said that 2-3 lines about the story?
Starting.
I don't find any horror in it. This
Not just this, na. Whatever they said, add some horror element in that. A ghost came in front of the duck and she got scared. Then they can add the action element.
Ghost
The
killed
duck was brave enough that she faced and fought with the ghost. Rotation of the criteria. Team A will speak on action now. Team B will speak on comedy. And Team C will speak on now whosoever will not start again will get a 0. Starting is the main. So team A. Ria opened the door and found a
grass in front of the house.
in front of the
His house.
house. Her house. Okay. Team B.
Grass. Grass.
Team B.
The grass came out from the ground and started running.
Team C.
And behind the grass, a dog and a cat were fighting with each other.
Your team C horror.
So you change it.
You're not paying attention in the class then.
I thought it is an action only.
We are find a door in the grass.
Okay, team with a
Green to Red to
red dupatta. Horror is red, no?
Red.
Team A.
Seeing tent, cut the grass, if you go before another thing.
Okay. Team B.
But all the grass ran away.
All the classes ran away. Team C.
The sky suddenly became dark and there were the noises all around.
Team A.
But Ria is work shrinker, so
She again cut off the grass.
And also started running down to their own.
Team C.
Ria saw that somebody touched her back, but when she turned her back, there was nobody behind her.
Okay. Team A.
finally
She started out with that person. She thought somebody.
Team B. Team B.
Turned out it was her friend only. Planning it.
Team C.
But it wasn't her friend. It was somebody else who was impersonating her friend.
Team A.
Then she started get angry on her friend.
Hmm.
Then
Because.
scared because of that.
Okay. Team B.
Then some spoons came in front of them and started dancing.
Team C.
The dancing spoon was not actually a spoon, it was the ghost.
Team A.
Then she asked her friend to sit and she went to the kitchen and grabbed some.
Team B.
In the kitchen,
Kavya will not speak. I mark -1. Team A. You both will not speak.
She started the walk.
She.
Started the walk in the started walk in the grass.
Okay. Team B.
started walking in the grass.
Pay attention to other teams also. Hurry up.
No, that's the sound of the voice.
Kavya, I told you in front of them. Okay. Team C. How did Ravi know where the owner lived?
Ravi looked at
What is the theme or message of this story?
Good deeds always pay off.
Okay. Do you agree with Ravi's choice? Why or why not?
Yes. I mean, this fast-paced world, some good deed is always blessing in disguise.
Okay. Summarize the story in 3-4 sentences.
Consign action to serve. consigned call to share with them.
Share one personal experience when you faced a similar choice.
Back in 2017, I was working at police and I helped two little girls to rescue from some illegal activity by the help of Bachchan Bachao Andolan. And after their rescue and last in 2024, I found that one girl between them has selected for police also, and so I can through this story I can sense the feeling of Ravi like to me back in 2017 after we did some good work.
Okay, good job. Team B, what is the theme or message of the story?
The main theme or message of the story is the importance of honesty in life.
Do you agree with Ravi's choice? Reasons.
Yes, I do agree with the Ravi's choice. As being honest is the best thing one can do, and also stealing someone's wallet is not a good habit.
What did you say?
I'll repeat it again. You are writing there.
No, I have written. What did you say? The Ravi.
Okay. There. Oh, I'll repeat. Yes, I agree with Ravi's choice, as being honest is the best thing one can do, and also stealing someone's money is not a good habit.
The does not come with name.
Yeah, I know.
Make sure. Then why are you
It happens
saying?
accidentally.
Don't do accidents like that. Okay, summarize the story in 3-4 sentences.
Ravi was walking home from the school. He noticed the wallet lying near the bus stop. Inside the wallet, there was a driving license. Ravi saw the address and returned it to the man whose wallet it was.
Share one personal experience.
2 years back, someone accidentally by mistake sent me 10,000 rupees on Google Pay. When I saw this, I called that person and sent him back the money. Sent him back the money.
What was the reason behind doing this will? Why did you not keep the money with you?
Because of the honesty only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Team C. Story.
The message is always try to do good with everyone and never fall on either ways.
Do you agree with Ravi's choice? Why or why not?
I agree with Ravi's choice as returning someone's property is the right thing to do and it never harms anyone by treating them with kindness.
Okay. Summarize the story.
Ravi was returning home. He saw a wallet lying on the ground. Firstly, he thought of stealing it, but then he returned the wallet to its owner.
What is one personal experience similar to this?
I found the phone lying on the ground in my dance class. I picked it up and asked if it was.
Just give her the idea. Any relevant incident from the story you have? No? No same situations you ever faced? Helping others or something like that? Any experience? No? Okay. Then we will move forward if we don't have anything. Now again, tell me, are you satisfied with the performance from this activity? With better than before? Yes. I hope on Saturday you will do the better participations. तब तक तो confidence आ जाएगा सबको. नहीं? अभी भी hope so. You have tomorrow's day in between to gain some confidence. Okay. Let's move to the other activity now. You can keep the worksheets with you. Will deduct marks. Very clear instructions. Have you heard of Hang Up Man? Anyone? No? There is a man hanging. Now I'll be drawing the same pattern. This will show the chances you will be getting. ये एक चांस है, दिस इज द चांस 2, चांस 3, चांस 4, चांस 5 एंड चांस 6. बॉडी एंड द हैंड्स आर चांस 5 और लास्ट में लेग्स इज योर चांस 6. Only 6 chances given to the members. Okay. Now,
Each member of the whole team.
the question asked specific. Clear? Yeah, repeat it.
I'm just saying the 6 chances will be given to the whole team of the team.
The question asked for the particular will be the chance given to that only person. Okay. I'll give you just a demo of what we are going to do. I will be giving you some blanks of a word. You have to guess the alphabets and frame a word, and I'll, for the reference, give you a meaning of that word specifically. For example, if I have 3 blanks and the answer was pen, so I'll be giving you a meaning. Object used for writing. You have to use your brain and think what word can come here which has only 3 letters in it. Object used for writing. What can it be? Can pencil come here? It has 6 letters, but I have only 3 blanks. So what can be the best answer? If you give pen first, you will get the point. But if you give the wrong word first, chance gone. Slowly and slowly, your team will start losing the marks. Understood? Okay. First, we will start with the beginners. No help from the intermediates or the advanced. You will have to give the letters, not the exact word at the very first word. आपको सिर्फ letters बताने हैं, एक पूरा word एक ही बार में नहीं बताना, ठीक है? Team A will answer this. Team A, Deepak. Substance white in color that we drink. Substance white in color that we can drink. कोई एक्स्ट्रा बोलेगा उसके टी के माइनस भी जाएंगे. Only Deepak. Pressure on team A. Substances पदार्थ. You have to हाँ M पहले आपको M बोलना फिर I फिर L फिर K that way. Now you have given the word M I N K in one go.
Will 5% tell one letter only, and the body will go to the next thing?
No, they will tell the whole. Now they have given milk in one go, 1 point is there. You want to, if you feel, you can. You want to? नहीं, internally if you want to, then you can. किसी और को feel हो रहा है ऐसा? कि हमें level switch करना है अपना अंदर से? नहीं? चलने दे? Okay. You're feeling?
No, chilly.
Team B. Team B is Ankit, Sarita and Rahul. Begin on. Water animal. 4 letters. The purpose for asking the individual letter was ki, do you know the spelling of that word or not? Because I will write a milk by myself, but do you know the spelling of milk or not? Okay. Good job, fish. Is there any other water animal with 4 letters?
No.
Yes. My answer was frog only, but fish was also in that category, so we can consider that also.
Crab. Crab.
There are 5.
There are many. Okay. Team C. No help. No. It's beginner's turn. You need all the G. That was a good one. Gratis. Sir, this is a good one. But that's not the correct answer we are expecting here. We'll take it as a compliment. This is coincident that gratis has the same 6 letters.
First thing.
Yeah. No, but we will not think that way, na? Okay, continue. That is not the answer, that is a compliment. Now give the answer.
Any more description?
No. You don't know.
Specific subject.
Then we can
Are you sure you don't know? You have 6 chances. Gratis is the first one. Although it was an answer from your side, gratis is the first one. Now second. You cannot take help. You cannot give help. Not the letter. At the end, she will have to complete A. Give the full na slowly with all the letters. Okay, let's do with alphabets. Okay, A you said. Okay, A is nowhere in the word. No help. But he gave, na? Instruction was very clear. If any other team also speaks, they will also get -1. Any other letter you can try. A you said it is not there. Any other letter, you have 5 more chances. Hurry up. This will increase the vocab. You will get to know the meanings.
You are the hard from us.
Fortune favors the best.
But you were still planning to switch the levels also. No? Okay, Israel. Any other letter?
G R O.
One letter. Because we have started with the letters now.
G.
There's nowhere G in the answer. Learning Institute. The other two teams are so excited to give the answers,
Yes, we are.
but you cannot. Any other letter? You both have the chance. We have one head, one body and arms, and letter.
No. We know answer.
You know the answer, but your team has to. Then intermediates, will they answer or will they advance ones?
Done.
You give up? You don't know the answers? Sure. We will not be giving them the point, but we'll give the answer if their team member knows. Okay, go for it.
S C H O O L.
कोई आउट ऑफ बॉक्स सोच रहा था इससे?
मैं स्कूल ही सोच रहा था.
Now got the answer? आपको पॉइंट मिल गया था ना? The fish.
Yeah, we got one.
Okay, now let's give turn to the intermediates. Team A, Shaya. Very good. Was that an easy one?
Yeah.
Really?
Like compared to others.
School was not easy.
Like the description of the question was not.
Learning institutes.
I go there.
Three. And Jasprit, this is a class full of students. Ankit, Sarita, Rahul, Shaina, Deepak, Prem, Israel, Kavya and Simran. Okay. We are doing an activity called Hang Up Man. They are divided in 3 different teams and they are given chances to speak on some words. You will get to know when we do the next word. Okay. Sarita, finding something you didn't knew before or someone didn't knew before. You can add someone here. Didn't knew before. Did not knew before.
Did not know.
did के साथ first form है
finding something new, someone did not
no
know before. Because of the words in between. Okay. Sarita. Start guessing the letters instead of going for the whole word. You got the answer. S. Any other letter? सिर्फ ऐसे वर्ड पूरा छोड़ा आपने. You have 26. एक गया उसमें 25 letters are still there.
There is chance of repetition.
No, it's just teamwork.
नहीं जैसे कि ये ऐसे ऐसे दोबारा भी आ सकते हैं वर्ड
If
में
अगर होता तो मैं लिख चुकी होती.
ठीक
Remember, yaar. Don't give up the answers, but motivate your team. Create some pressure on her. Rahul is very relaxed. करो, मैंने तो अपना एक पॉइंट दिलवा दिया. Ankit will now torture you. अपने नाम की लेटर बोल दो, क्या पता कोई आ जाए इसमें. उसके आगे भी तो होंगे ना. Did you tell the answer?
ऐसे कर दे.
क्या आंसर बता दिया कि मैं जो इधर देख रही हूँ?
नहीं. Discovery.
स्पेलिंग बता दो.
C O V E
आर तो है ही आगे. ओके, वेरी गुड.
I hated that.
मेरे को डाउट हो रहा है कि आपने आंसर भी बता दिया. एकदम से उसको डिस्कवरी कैसे पता चल गया?
वहाँ से कैसे किया?
राहुल, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. अभी हमने पीछे रीडिंग में सीखा था.
मैंने तो इंस्टीट्यूट सोचा था, इंस्टीट्यूट में करना है.
नहीं, टेल मी कि इन्होंने आपस में आंसर शेयर किया है. नहीं किया पक्का?
But it's
Yeah,
open, the
I'm
searching
sorry.
and discovery.
Who all have doubt?
Yeah, no, he is doing this.
ये डिस्कवरी का साइन है. तो उसमें प्रेस करना. तो
After you give the point, you give the point.
वो तो चलो, he is over expressive, तो उसको क्या होगा कुछ ज्यादा इसमें. चलो.
इसके दो बंदे थे, searching and discovery. Searching and discovery. दो बंदे थे. Both are sound letters.
Searching is something. कुछ पता है हमें, बट उसको ढूंढ रहे हैं. डिस्कवरी समथिंग जो हमें पता ही नहीं है, किसी चीज का खोद के कुछ निकालना. दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. तभी तो इसका मीनिंग भी दिया था आपको. ओके, नाउ इट इज टीम सी. पहले आप डिसाइड करो कौन आंसर देने वाला. आई वांट टू गिव यू बोथ ऑफ यू द चांस. नहीं, पहले डिसाइड करो जल्दी. Already you have -1 and 0. So think wisely. No, I gave option between these two because they are confused between their letters. You will try, but no chance will be given to you. Going from one place to another, having 7 letters in it. Start thinking the letters now. Don't go for the word. No, blank. So D. Is your team को आ रहा है IDS पे? बताना नहीं है। आपको आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा? आ रहा है? Your team member is having an idea, okay? Don't discuss loudly. पेपर पे लिख के कर लो। Okay. No help. Israel गलती से पेपर बाहर ना आ जाए, देखो -1 लगेगा। हाँ जी, लेटर्स भी आओ जल्दी। लेटर्स 26 हैं, कोई 6 तो बोलो। इंसान कर देगा, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा। Good one. Kavya is clueless. Now think. 25 लेटर्स बचे हैं अभी, एक और आने। You have पूरा हैंग होने में तो 6 चांस है ना? गलत के 6 चांस है, बोलने के तो बहुत सारे हैं। डी। बाकी सो जाएंगे जल्दी। अब तो टंगी भी कम। लेट मी नो कि ये इंसान भी कौन है। आगे think of the common letters. Sorry. आइडिया कितना है? लास्ट चांस, उसके बाद डेथ हो जाएगी। चलो, let's take 2 minutes of मौन व्रत। Anyone from the team? Because you already have a 0 point. बोल दो अब तो खया वैसे भी। No.
Traveler.
No. Teammate.
Zero.
Spelling please.
Zero.
इनको बोल रहे थे इतनी तो JOU to your meaning walk नहीं इसका कोई और मीनिंग जर्नी का कोई और मीनिंग हो सकता है। क्या नाम थे सिमरन? You are hanging yourself. What is the answer? It is not going. It is shifting from one place to another. कितने letters हैं? 13.
बड़े वाले इजी होते हैं।
That is a fact. मेरे को एक बार कंफर्म कर लेना। It's based on B D जल्दी जल्दी टांगेंगे अब चलो let's write the alphabets जो कर चुके हैं okay remember keep it with you. अपनी टर्न में तो आते नहीं आप लोग. I have tried giving you the easy one also, but still I cannot help now. आ रहा है कुछ या मैं पीछे तक जाके वापस आऊँ? Any other letter? You have 25 letters remaining. Okay, because this is intermediate, advanced level, तो इसके अंदर repetition of words भी है. Repetition of letters. That is a hint. चलो, only advanced will be get this chance. कोई और लेटर ट्राई करना चाहूँ? Now इंसान बताओ किसको टांगोगे यहाँ पे, क्योंकि टांग तो तुम रहे हैं. Okay, next letter. हेल्प हो जाएगी. पहली नेगेटिव में हम नेगेटिव अच्छा नहीं लग रहा ना. व्हाट वी कैन डू इज इधर से एक वन और हटा देते हैं. पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट रहेगा ना. वी नीड टू बिलीव इन पॉजिटिविटी. जीरो भी हटा देते हैं चलो फॉर योर हेल्प. चलो you have only 5 ones in the. Now stay positive and try. एक टर्न आई है अभी आप लोगों के पास. हाँ जी सर, प्लीज लेट अस बताइए. नहीं
13 का ही था और
नहीं हुआ तो बोल के पूरा इंसान मत टंगवाना अपना प्लीज. क्योंकि वो आउट ऑफ चांस भी हो जाएगा तो मेरे को एक ही बार में पूरा टांगना पड़ेगा अगर गलत हो गया. आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू. तो इससे अच्छा है कि हम लेटर वाइज ही चलते हैं. सर प्लीज आप मत हेल्प करना क्योंकि आपने देख लिया होगा वहाँ पे. ओके, बोल दो जल्दी. टी. कौन बोला टांग दो? टी बन गया उनका छोटा वाला यहाँ पे. Focus on the expressions. चलो बताओ जल्दी. Now what? You have 23 letters remaining. टाइम जा रहा है जल्दी. क्या हुआ?
12 तो हुई.
वेरी गुड. अब तो आ गया वर्ड. अभी भी नहीं. फिर एक और ट्राई कर लो क्योंकि अभी 3 चांस तो है इंसान में. अभी उसकी रस्सी आएगी. नहीं 4 है सॉरी. गर्दन भी आएगी, शरीर भी आएगा, फिर वो चल पाएगा. अंकित स्टीव मिला वर्ड. नॉट यू. बाकियों को नहीं मिला. यू फीलिंग स्लीपी. नहीं तो अब तक मिल जाता. अग्री करना किया जाओ. प्रेशर क्रिएट करो यार. करना नहीं हो तो प्रेशर रिलीज करवा दिया आपने. नहीं नहीं, वर्ड तो पूरा ही हो जाएगा, लेटर भी नहीं. उनको प्रेशर डालो थोड़ा कि ट्राई तो करो एटलीस्ट. क्या होगा, एक नंबर ही घटेगा. कुछ नहीं देना उनको, सिर्फ ये बोलो कि आंसर दो जल्दी जल्दी. बस इतना बोल सकते. वो भी मुंह से नहीं, जैसे अंकित ने एक्सप्रेशन से किया था कि प्लीज हेल्प मी. कैसे करना है?
बढ़िया से था.
चलो जल्दी. दिखाना नहीं है. नहीं, क्या पता कुछ लिखा हो, आपने तुक्का ही मारा हो, सही हो गया हो। करो, कहाँ है?
C.
अब आप खेल रहे हो।
U.
जल्दी जल्दी बोल रहे हो।
I. C. A. D.
वेरी गुड। कहाँ है आपकी? कौन सी टीम थी? ये वाली है? नहीं। She's like ये है। Okay.
मैं पिक करने में फाइल पर होती हूँ।
यहाँ तो आंसर पिक हो गया, वो तो कॉल पिक करने की बात हुई थी सिर्फ। चलो, वेरी गुड। सो व्हाट डज कम्युनिकेशन मीन?
Sharing ideas and
Documentary हो सकता है, I think.
क्या?
Sharing idea, information.
कम्युनिकेशन के थ्रू भी तो आप शेयर करते ही हो। अगर आप कम्युनिकेट ही नहीं करोगे, मैंने हिंट भी दिया इनडायरेक्टली कि बूस्ट करो उनको, दैट वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन।
जैसे कम्युनिकेशन में आंसर बताया।
मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में मुझे लगा जैसे आपने मूवी वगैरह की बात की थी ना,
नहीं, मैं अभी बातें सारी रिलेवेंट थोड़ी करूंगी।
नहीं मैं डॉक्यूमेंट्री मैंने स्टार्टिंग किया ना तो गिना मैंने तो 13 वर्ड आए।
Okay, whose turn is this? Ankit. Okay, let's go for a creative word. बताओ जल्दी अंकित, you have only 5 seconds.
He had 5.
You said जल्दी जल्दी 2 सेकंड लो। Let us start करो जल्दी।
Okay.
आपको टांगने की भी यहाँ पे।
सामने स्टार्ट करा। A. तुक्के लगेंगे।
I know that तुक्की मार रहा।
I. इतने लगी तो। Because.
हो गए 5 seconds। Another 5 चलो। कॉन्फिडेंस गिरा क्यों दिया जल्दी?
नहीं दूसरे क्या Oh, I will know. B. A. T. I.
What is the word? What does this mean? Meaning तो लिखा ही हुआ है, बता दो। Making something new that makes your life better. किसी नई चीज का आविष्कार करना। Innovation, invention, are they same letters?
No.
Innovation and invention. खुद से एक वर्ड काट दो।
ये सारे तुक्के लगे इधर।
That means you are good in tukka.
No, yeah, but because the A, I, U, they are in like more options.
Yes, that was a smart one for today.
He's also there. He's in one more.
He's having his class till 7. He'll have more words than you guys.
Okay.
He's sure about that. Okay. बेचारा कब से वेट कर रहा है। Just start with the letters.
I. M.
Okay, ठीक है, आप
A. G.
I N A D I O N. It will be T I O K.
But he started with I and was it easy? कह दो हाँ.
Easier.
अच्छा. Very easy. बेचारों को एक चांस तो बनता था ना. दो चांस बेचारों के खराब हो गए.
But unfortunately,
Still they are not. But these okay. Twist of the day. ये स्कोर आपका सैटरडे तक चलता जाएगा. You have a chance to either add or deduct. So total score for today is
But I'm not coming tomorrow and day after
tomorrow and not day after tomorrow.
tomorrow. We have to do
We'll add one more. We'll ask Shivam sir to join them.
but now you said that you will be changing the team every day.
Shuffle हो जाएगी then what? You know your team members ना किस टीम के साथ कितने points कमाए थे.
तो सामने वाले भी वो है ही ना.
I'll do something for that also. Okay. Now one last activity. You have to write maybe some word or something that you learned from today's class or just feedback for today's class. And you guys will be pasting this on the wall behind you. Anything. Play one by one. You can go and paste each other. Anywhere on the wall you wish to. जाओ जाओ. Go for it. एक एक अपना अपना चिपकाना. Go for it, Kavya. Otherwise, he'll come and sit. Okay, thank you guys. Taking some positive feedbacks, maybe negative also. It will help us improve. Hope you learned something. Thank you. Hoping to see you all tomorrow again. Exceptionals, it's okay.